Have you ever looked at a stock chart and just felt lost, like you're staring at a completely foreign language? Well, today, we're going to become map makers. We are going to learn how to read the market's terrain, its landscape, and really understand the stories it's trying to tell us. When you first pull up a price chart, it's so easy to just see chaos, right? It's this jagged, unpredictable line just bouncing all over the place. It can feel totally random, like there is absolutely no rhyme or reason to any of it. But is that really the whole story, or? And this is the big question. What if the market has its own kind of body language? A set of shapes and patterns that repeat themselves over and over, giving us clues about where it might be headed next. Our goal here is pretty simple. We're going to learn the basic grammar of that language. Alright, so let's start with the most dramatic signals. In the market's playbook, these are the patterns that basically scream, hey, the journey in this direction might be over. It might be time for a complete change of scenery. So, think about chart patterns like they belong to two big families. First, you got your reversal patterns. These are like a giant flashing turn ahead sign on the highway. They're a window into a huge shift in market psychology. And then you have continuation patterns, which are more like a rest stop next exit sign. The trend is just pulling over to catch its breath. Let's tackle those big U-turns first. Okay, to really get one of the most common reversal patterns, I want you to picture a car trying to drive up a really steep hill. It's pushing hard right. It gets near the top, but then it just rolls back down a bit. The engine sputters. It tries again with everything it's got, but it just can't get past that same high point. What does that tell you? Well, the car has run out of gas. That little story, that's the double top pattern. First, you have a strong uptrend. That pushes the price to a peak. Then you get a little pullback, as some of the early buyers decide to take their profits. Then the buyers rally for one more push. But, and this is so important, they fail, they hit that same ceiling again. This classic M shape you see is the market, basically telling you that the buyers are exhausted. They've run out of steam. Now check out this idea of the neckline. It's that valley there right between the two peaks. Just seeing a potential M shape isn't enough to act on. The pattern is only really confirmed when the price breaks below this line. I want you to think of it as the floor finally giving way. It's the real point of no return for that uptrend. So you see, a double top isn't just some random shape. It's the end of a story. It's a power struggle where the buyers have completely lost control of the wheel, and now it looks like the sellers are in the driver's seat. In this video, the visuals are used as illustrations to help you better understand the content. If you would like to explore the topic more deeply, feel free to join our community, where you can learn new knowledge and exchange ideas with others who share the same passion.